So in this next problem, we're going to look at consecutive integers. And if we remember, consecutive integers are integers that are in a row. So for instance, 4 and 5 would be two consecutive integers. Or if we wanted multiples, maybe something like 7, 8, and 9 would be three consecutive integers. So when we look at 4 and 5, if n was 4, then to get to 5, we would have to do n plus 1. So two consecutive integers we would write as n and n plus 1 in general. For 3, if we let n be 7, then n plus 1 would be 8, and n, or 7, to get from 7 to 9 we'd have to add 2. So the third one would be n plus 2. So this problem says the sum of two consecutive page numbers in a book is 223. Find the page numbers. Well, don't let the context fool you. This is really just consecutive integer problems. So we're going to say, let n equal the first page number and then let n plus 1 equal the second page number. Alright, now it says the sum of two consecutive page numbers in a book is 223. So the sum means to add. So we've got n plus 1 equals 223. There's nothing to distribute here on the outside of the parentheses, so we can drop them. n plus 1 equals 223. Now combine like terms, and we get 2n plus 1 equals 223. Next step is to get rid of this 1, so we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. That gives us 2n equals 222. And finally, we've got 2 times n. So if we want to get rid of a multiplication of 2, we have to do the opposite, which is divide by 2. So that's going to give us n equals 111. And n, if we look up to the top, that stands for the first page number. So we'll write first page number. Remember, that's just the first page number, so we're not done. N plus 1 equals, n is 111, so it's 111 plus 1, which gives us 112. And that's the second page number. Now remember, we should really be checking our answers. It tells us that the sum of the two numbers should be 223. So you do 111 plus 112, and that does give us 223. So we know our answer is correct.